Hello everyone, in this presentation I am going to give you an overview of how national accounts estimates like GVA, FISM etc. are prepared for financial corporation sector. But before moving ahead, a disclaimer. This presentation is given for educational use only. Information in this presentation is in summary form and does not purport to be complete. According to System of National Accounts, the resident institutional unit that make up the total economy are grouped into 5 mutually exclusive institutional sectors. These are general government, financial corporation, non-financial corporation, non-profit institutions serving household and household. Among these, financial corporations consist of all the resident corporation or quasi-corporations principally engaged in financial intermediation or auxiliary financial activities, which are closely related to financial intermediation. In India, estimates of financial corporations are corporation at current and constant prices are prepared separately for public financial corporation and private financial corporation. The current price estimates for organized segment of financial corporation are prepared from annual financial statements of financial corporation, whereas unorganized segment estimates are prepared using survey results of All India Debt and Investment Survey. The constant price estimates of GVA are prepared using volume extrapolation or single deflation method. As per System of National Accounts, financial corporation sector is divided into 9 subsectors according to its activity in the market and the liquidity of its liabilities. These subsectors are central bank, that is RBI in case of India, deposit taking corporations, except central bank, all kind of banks included in this subsector. Money market fund and non-money market fund, all mutual fund are included in this category. Other financial intermediaries except insurance corporation and pension fund. It consists of all NBFIs and state financial corporation. Then financial auxiliaries. This consists of regulatory authorities, stockbrokers, stock exchange and asset management companies. Then captive financial institution, insurance corporations and pension funds. For more detailed definition of different subsectors, SNA 2008 can be referred. This slide shows the major data sources for different subsector of financial corporation. As already told, the current price estimates of organized segment is compiled by using annual financial statements of financial corporations. Under financial sector, in new base, RBI is considered as non-market enterprise and its output is calculated using cost method, that is output is equal to intermediate consumption plus compensation to employees plus consumption of fixed capital plus net taxes on production, and thus GVA is equal to output minus IC. Other financial corporations which are market enterprise, production approach is used to compile the estimate, that is GVA is equal to output minus IC, where output is equal to FISM plus actual receipt and total FISM is equal to FISM on loan plus FISM on deposit. FISM, that is financial intermediation services indirectly measured, is an indirect measure of value of financial intermediation services provided but for which financial institutes do not charge explicitly. FISM is computed by reference rate method using formula given in the slide, that is FISM is equal to lending rate minus reference rate into average stock of loan plus reference rate minus deposit rate into average stock of deposit. Here reference rate is calculated as harmonic mean of lending rate and deposit rate. In this particular slide, FISM is calculated using a numerical example for a particular financial corporation. Let there is a financial corporation having average loan of 1000 rupees, average deposit of 1000 rupees, lending rate as 6% and deposit rate as 2%. Thus, uniform reference rate is calculated as harmonic mean of lending rate and deposit rate, and it is 3%. FISM on loan comes out to be lending rate minus deposit rate into average stock of loan, that is 30. Similarly, FISM on deposit is calculated as deposit rate, reference rate minus deposit rate into average stock of deposit, that comes out to be 10 rupees. Thus, total FISM is equal to 30 plus 10, that is 40 rupees. For insurance subsector, GVA is computed using production approach, where that is output minus IC, and where output is premium less reinsurance plus premium supplements that consist of interest received, dividend received, net profit on sales minus adjusted claims, which includes claims and surrenders, interest paid, net accruing liabilities or change in actuarial reserve, bonus to policyholder, change in equalization provision, plus miscellaneous receipt minus production tax if included in value of output to make it on basic price. The intermediate consumption is calculated as management expenses plus commission to agents plus bank charges plus repair and maintenance plus miscellaneous expenses, and thus output is GVA is equal to output minus IC. For unorganized part, mainly money lender, FISM is calculated using All India Debt and Investment Survey and RBI study result and reference rate method. For money lender, output is equal to FISM and IC is calculated as the ratio of output. This ratio is derived from the survey on unincorporated enterprises, which provide IC as the percentage of total interest received. For constant price estimates of financial sector, mainly volume extrapolation method is used. In the given slide, major volume indicator used in different subsectors are shown. To deflate these volume, the implicit price index based on unadjusted GVA of all non-financial industries is used. In this slide of the first part of slide, constant price GVA is calculated for scheduled commercial bank comes under subsector S122 of financial corporation is shown using a numerical example. Here base year GVA is extrapolated using index of deflated total deposits and credit. Constant price of RBI is computed by multiplying RBI current price estimates with implicit index, that is current GVA upon constant GVA of scheduled commercial bank of that particular year. For subsector S129, that is pension fund, constant price estimate is prepared by deflating current price estimate with CPI. FISM. Allocation of FISM. The FISM or output of financial corporation represent the service provided to user. It is distributed to user across the institutional sector. The allocation to the resident institutional sectors allow the output consumed to be classified as intermediate consumption or final consumption. The allocation of FISM among different non-financial industries excluding general government is done using the deposit, receipt and credit given to different industries. For example, for scheduled commercial bank, it is allocated using the aggregate credit and deposit of different industries as obtained from RBI. For the same principle is followed for allocation of total FISM of non-bank act as a financial intermediaries. For example, the annual report of many state financial corporation and public financial corporation provide industry-wise disbursal of credit. With this, I would like to end the presentation. Hope you got some insight on estimation procedure used for preparing financial corporation estimate. Thank you.